Hello guys, I hope you are doing good. In this tutorial, we are making our collectible coin object. So in third person blueprints, I'm just gonna add there, let's call it BP coin. So what we need a static mesh, and we need a box collision. So in box collision, we add on component begin overlap event. Let's first check if it is our player character. Get player character. So what we are gonna use, we are gonna use interface. So I'm gonna open my interface and add a function at coin and compile and save, and we are call this function in this begin overlap event. Okay, so let's call add coin from other actor. Okay, so that's it. And after add coin, we can destroy this actor, and let's add logo. Wait, logo Unreal icon. I'm not sure. Then we are gonna use con. Let's resize it first. So this is ready now. As you can see, it destroyed. So in our player blueprint, let's create our add coin event. So first we need a coin. I'm gonna use integer. So set integer and add integer. So if you want random coins, we can add coin rate, I guess. And we can use from there. So in our BP coin blueprint, we can promote it a variable and instance editable. So let's first check if it's work currently. Yes. No, print string from this coin. This is our real coin. Okay, let's check. I'm gonna first add 1. Yes, quite good. And let's look again, and it's 5. It seems working good. So finally we can add a widget. So not there, but let's create another widget. User widget blueprint, widget blueprint. I'm gonna name it HUD. So First, let's add a canvas and add user created widget blueprint health. And right now we can add a text. So this health widget is previous videos. Okay, so let's bind this. First, I'm gonna event construct cast to third person character gets player character and coin integer gets coin from player blueprint and set this coin in widgets. Okay, so we can bind now. Let's create binding and I hope it works. Let's look. Get player character from. Okay, let's cast from. Let's cast in the this function. Gets coin. Get player character. Right now it's. Wait. Oh. We we didn't create widget. So let's change this widget blueprint health to widget blueprint HUD. And right now, yes. As you can see, it's right up corner. But first, let's change this function. I hope if it is work. I wonder. Let's yes. Right now it's 0. No. It didn't work. So we are cast in this bind function. Okay, gets third person character. It's player character. And yes, it's quite good right now. Later, I hope if I create a mesh from mesh in Blender, we can update this blueprint. Also, we can add coin texture, but right now it seems working. So I hope you like it and see you next videos.